Hello, everybody. My name is Todd Medovich. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody throughout this class. So, who am I? First of all, I'm a husband, father, host parent, scout leader, and a CAP officer. I've been happily married to my wife, my second wife, for over 20 years now. We have 4 children together. This is me in the center, my older 2 boys and their prom dates, and my daughter. My younger 2 at Notre Dame, my family at Yosemite in California, my wife, daughter, son. These are some pictures of my daughter and I in Chicago. My foreign exchange students from Thailand, Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. I've been a scout leader with 3 of my boys through the Boy Scouts, and I'm currently in the Civil Air Patrol with my daughter. She's learning to fly. I serve as lieutenant on the ground when we do training exercises. Where are we located? We live currently in Connecticut. My wife and I both grew up in the southern tier of upstate New York, very close to Cornell University. My wife and I got married while we attended Syracuse University. We both have degrees in chemistry. After college, we moved to central Connecticut because we wanted to be closer to where the pharmaceutical companies were and other job opportunities for chemists. We're about equidistant between New York and Boston, and we really enjoy having all the cultural activities available to us from both areas. What do I do? Currently I work for Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. We sell scientific instruments. Here's a spattering of what we offer. You may have seen a video of Osmo, the Honda robot that we can control with our brain imaging instrument. I'm a senior technical support scientist. I've been in this role, although it's morphed into different functions over the past 15 years. But I install instruments, I conduct user training, I do research into with existing or into emerging analytical techniques, and I develop informal and formal training for both our internal people, our internal employees, and external customers. I develop and write scientific applications, and I support the broader scientific community. Sorry, my slide skipped. That's where I wanted to be. With regards to leadership skills, I'd like to say that I'm guilty of primarily practicing transactional leadership in the past. For many years this was through active management by the exception style, and it's now more of a passive management by exception style. I kind of fell into this pattern of management by mimicking my immediate supervisor, who's also been a transactional leader, although he's sort of transitioned more into a contingent reward style manager at this point. The leadership theory that I think best fits my current work environment is situational leadership theory. My work environment is extremely change oriented right now through regulatory change and fiscal growth. My company's really having to think on its feet much more than we ever have. It's a Japanese company, very conservative, nothing changes fast, and now all of a sudden we have many changes going on all at once. And so the leadership that we needed last year and the leadership we need this year and what we're going to need next year may not always be the same. So for a leader to fit in this arena, they have to be able to rapidly adapt to change, and situational leadership theory allows them to do that. Again, my name is Todd Medovich. Looking forward to interacting with everybody throughout this course, and good luck, and it's nice to meet you all. Thank you.